Hi there, my name is Hendrik and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking poop bags, toilet, the cloth diapers, shit holders, shit carriers, fart collectors, pee controllers, poop bags. Did I say that already? Anyway, in this case, we're talking about the pocket diaper. See that? There's a pocket. I wanted to do this because I mainly talk about zero waste on my channel, and this is one of the items that does reduce the amount of trash going to landfill. Yes, we do have a baby, that's why we use these things now. Otherwise, this video would be very weird because they're not really my size and I'm not there yet. As you can tell, we have a variety of different colors, and the brand is Alva Baby. They come with inserts, microfiber insert that collect the pee and poop quite well. I had noticed they do leak occasionally, and since our daughter sleeps with us in the same bed, it's a fun way to wake up. But hey, shit happens, Gail. Now, I did my research on the interweb and they were saying that there's a lot of different reusable diapers. This video is only going on the cloth diaper, the pocket version, the pocket diaper. But they are all-in-ones, two-in-ones, hybrid fitted cloth diapers, inserts, pre-folds, flats, covers and even swim diapers. My goodness. What has this world come to? Anyway, we actually started off using biodegradable diapers, but I realized pretty quickly that they don't biodegrade. I think it's the same with the compostable. I wrote a blog post about that. It's all very confusing and most of it is not actually true. You need the right mix of bacteria, the right temperature and so on to actually have them biodegrade. If you just throw them in landfill, they just sit there for thousands of years anyway. So it's a bit of greenwashing if you ask me. But don't hold me for it, do your own research. Anyway, let's get into this. So, without further ado, let's talk about poo. It's actually really easy. You have your diapers, right? They are exchangeable, like you can put them in lots of different sizes. Ours is at the moment the smallest one, so you just put it into the smallest settings here. Then you get one of your freshly washed microfiber cloth things and insert it into the pocket, hence the name, right? Pocket diaper. We'll do it like this. Push it through all the way to the end, hold it tight, pull it back. Now we've noticed that our little girl during the night doesn't poop so much anymore. So we don't use bamboo biodegradable fiber cloth thingies anymore. But during the day we do, because occasionally, you know, that wet fart sneaks out. Or daddy does a bad joke and she poops herself. So we'll basically do it like this. We'll lay it in there and then pop bum.
Yeah. You like the fox one, huh? You like the fox? The funny fox? The fox? Zack! Yeah, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. Ta-da!
What is there to know about these? They do take a fair amount of pee. They need to be washed quite a bit. I usually change them. I change the inner layer out, pull it out and throw it in our wet bag. So we have like a wet bag where you can collect them for several, I wouldn't do it for several days, but we have done it for 2 days. But usually, yeah, you need to do a lot more washing, I noticed that. And hence they're microfibers. You want to put them into the Goopy Friend, which is a microfiber cloth bag. However, I would reuse this thing if it's clean to the eye. I will reuse them
a couple of times because they don't smell and they're quite like, interestingly, this synthetic fiber in here, synthetic, I can't say that word, this not from this world fiber is stays pretty dry, strangely. I don't know what they do to this, but yeah, it stays dry, so you know, she doesn't get too upset when she peed. In fact, it's been quite heavy at times and she didn't say a word. So yeah, if you decide to buy them, I will recommend, we have around 12 of those diapers, and they always come with 2 inserts, so there's 24 of those inserts, and usually, you know, we wash them every 2 days, but I believe that's it. So yeah, happy pooping.